Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I found out there was a third place that I could buy silver rounds in my area. Originally I thought there was only two places, the first coin shop that I went to in my one previous video, and then there's another coin shop that I have not gone to yet. And then I found out there is this local jewelry store that actually had some silver rounds, so I was able to message the owner. It's a smaller shop, however they are open like 7 days a week, which really aligned with my schedule. So I decided to check it out after work because they were actually open till 6, and I usually get off of work like around 5, so I was able to go over there. It was only about 15 minutes away from my house, and I got a chance to look at their collection of silver, and they had some graded silver. They also had a 10-ounce bar, which I wasn't prepared to buy at the time, but that was pretty cool to check out. And I took a look at their generic silver and was able to pick this up today. Let me just give you guys a nice look at this. So it's another Buffalo round, this one here, 2014. So it's going to be nice to just add to my collection. I'm not going to put this one in a capsule, just going to be one that I have around and am able to touch and feel and mess with. And just to give you guys an idea of how different this Buffalo round looks compared to what appears to be a newer one. And I have my other Buffalo round here. So just to give you a side-by-side comparison, looks like there's actually a lot more detail on the one from 2014 as opposed to, I believe this is one of the newer ones, but it doesn't actually have a date on the front. Maybe it has it on the back. Let me see. Okay, so no date on this, but even on the back, I still am seeing more detail on what I believe is the older Buffalo round, and just another cool one to add to the collection. I actually am really liking these Buffalo rounds, and they seem to be a very popular round for collectors. Like, I'm sure I have no issues selling these rounds once and if I'm ever ready to actually sell these. Like I said, I'm planning on passing this collection off to my children, which is why I'm doing this, just kind of investing ahead of time for them. So it was really cool to be able to purchase this from someone who specializes primarily in jewelry products. I believe they also make custom stuff as well. So it's cool that they were diversifying their business. And I was kind of worried when I got there to like film the outside of the store, because when I got there, I found out that the owner, the person who I was in contact with, was already just kind of outside. So I didn't want to film the outside of their store, just because, didn't want to seem sketchy. But a little later, I found out that he actually makes like YouTube and Facebook shorts, and he's actually monetized on Facebook. And he's also, like I said, a YouTuber. So you might see him in a future video. I kind of want to get into interviewing like the coin shops in my area if they're willing. So it seems like he is willing to be featured on the channel. So we'll be able to give a shout out to his Facebook and his YouTube page. Hopefully help him get monetized. So that's going to be pretty cool to see in the near future. I got his number, so I'm in contact with him. So if you have any questions you want to ask him, be sure to do it below. Like I said, he's a jewelry store and seems to be diversifying his product into silver rounds. I'm not sure if he had a bar. Oh yeah, he did have a 5-ounce and a 10-ounce bar. So going to be curious to see if he continues to build his inventory. But either way, going to be cool to go back to him and take his advice and get some of his insight in running a jewelry business. So yeah, like I said, very happy with this, and going to be doing the good old silver test on this round, just because something I just want to get into, just hearing the sound of silver. And that is sounding good to me, like I said. I don't have a lot of experience testing silver, but to me, that sounds pretty much like how you would expect a silver round to sound. So yeah, very happy to add this onto my collection. Also to have another way of purchasing silver rounds, because the other coin shops, their hours doesn't always align with, you know, my work schedule and such. And they seem to be closed on Sundays, and their hours on Saturday isn't as late as this jewelry shop. So they're going to be coming in clutch when I'm in need for my weekly silver round. So again, let me know what you guys think about this piece. Obviously a very common piece, but it was just cool to see a 2014 version. And if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.